Hey guys, welcome back to Mostly Bearish. Today we're going to be talking about 10 different ways to invest money. Before starting off with this topic, I'd like to say investments should be a part of your life, whatever your age may be. The earlier you start investing, the more fruitful will the returns be. Mainly because you're providing an extended time frame for your investments to mature. Now let us dive into the topic. The first and foremost thing, what I always say is, invest in yourself. Education is a great way to invest in yourself. The more you educate yourself, the more knowledge you gain. And the more knowledge you gain, you can create something with all the knowledge that you have. The second thing I would like to talk about is business. If you have a product or a service that may help people for their growth or solve their problems, your business is bound to do great. All you need to do is the product and service needs to reach the client and people in general. The third thing I want to talk about is private equity. If you do not have any product or service in mind, but you're seeing a business, a startup, a smaller upcoming business which has potential, you can be an investor in that. Mainly because you have an outlook towards that business, you believe in that business, then only it is right to take private equity in that particular business. The fourth thing that I want to talk about is stocks. Well, stocks are giving you an ownership of already set business. But selecting the right stock is an art. You need to know fundamental analysis, technical analysis, have a futuristic mindset towards the company you're investing in. As long as all these are in place and you understand why you're investing in a particular company, stocks are a great way of investment. Next thing I want to talk about is mutual funds. If you do not understand the company, what it may do, what are the projections, etc., mutual funds can be a little bit easier to understand. I would suggest just look at the fund managers, because every mutual fund is handled by a fund manager. Look at the fund manager's performance during the bearish market and during the bullish market. What were the returns that he or she gave? This might make your selection of mutual funds comparatively easier. The sixth thing I want to talk about is exchange traded funds. Now, if understanding mutual funds is also pretty tough, but you believe that economy is going to grow, a particular index is going to grow, for example, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, or a particular sector is going to grow, then you can actually buy the exchange traded funds of the index or the particular sector. And as and when the index or sector grows, your portfolio grows almost equally. The next thing I want to talk about is real estate. Real estate is one of the best investments, mainly because of supply and demand. Supply is going to be constrained, whereas demand is going to keep increasing as we are a developing country and our population also keeps increasing. As and when you give it time for your real estate investments to mature, your land value is going to increase. But if you also do construction on top of it and give it for rent, you will get rental income as well. Even if you build a house for yourself, you're saving yourself from the future rent that you might be paying. The next thing I want to talk about is currency and derivatives. As long as you understand the fluctuation of the market, the currency market and the derivative market, you can always make the most out of the fluctuations itself. But this requires a lot of understanding of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and how price fluctuation happens. Next, I want to talk about art. Art is a great form of investment, mainly because great art does not lose value. So if you want to beautify your home or you're an art collector, that is a great form of investment. The 10th point I want to make is you can also invest in film productions. If you believe a script can do well, if it has a social cause or entertainment factor to it, so it can probably reach out to the audience and make money for you. I hope you guys have understood the different ways which we can invest our money and give it time. Make sure give your investment time for it to mature. That's why I always say start investments early. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and understood a few things about investment. If you did, do press the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'm going to be talking about stock market, money management and stocks which I am looking at as well in the future. I hope you guys have a great day and I'm going to see you soon.